Hi, I'm Farrah with Nordstrom Old Orchard, and this is the CALPAK Luggage Packing Cube. This bag has a mesh and nylon construction, features a luggage tag, a dual zip closure, a top handle, and a back zipper pocket. What's great about this is that it's 5 bags in one, the smallest of which, being an all nylon construction, is the perfect for your makeup or any small accessories. The second smallest is great, it can fit sunglasses, continental wallet, your phone, or anything else you might need. The next size going up is the perfect size for any tablets you may have. Then one larger is the perfect size for a 13-inch laptop. And then the largest bag can fit anything else in it, including the other bags and everything up to a 17-inch laptop. I'm 6'4", and this is a 19-inch bag, and as you can see, the carry handle makes it super convenient. Any of these bags would be perfect to go inside of a backpack, or used together they make a great tote for the library or the office.